Today you will be making some Guyanese cabbage and chicken. This is absolutely delicious and one of my favorites. So I would have already washed and cleaned my chicken, and here I'm going to season it. I'll leave everything that I'm using in the description box. You can also season to your likeness and taste. Make sure your chicken is well seasoned. It looks absolutely amazing. To a preheated pot, I am going to add some oil and some diced onion, garlic, and ginger. To that, I'm going to add my seasoned chicken. This chicken looks absolutely amazing. We're going to fry this up for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to remove and set aside. So added some sliced onions and my tomato paste because I love to cook that out first. Some carrots, green onions, bell pepper. Then I'm going back in with my cooked chicken. Then I'm going to add my cabbage, guys, and you're going to cook and season to your likeness and taste. You're going to actually cook that down for about 20 minutes. And this is what it looks like. I hope you guys try this recipe. It is absolutely amazing. Love you guys. Bye-bye.